So for people like Mchangwa to speak about ZBC chino atidi kunyi peranaka vanhu vakarondo chaichayo vari kumaruzevha ukavataura zvakarondo vakanyara vanongonyara kuti see the real liberators of this country are quiet. They're not talking. They're anguishing in poverty quietly. But that's not to say they were not commanders in the struggle. They've just chosen to do that. Managing to be on top of a mountain and being given a loudspeaker to speak, that does not mean others cannot speak. We must respect people who have worked hard. Everybody shares the tea to be in power, and everybody must be rewarded. If you see people like Hopewell Chin'ono today, Hopewell was part of the Second Republic. And they promised him ZBC, and I would have liked to see him run ZBC with the mind that he has. Imagine if they've brought him on board to do that. But if you then work together and you don't give people what you promised, they're likely to be a backlash. All these people are Zimbabweans. But there's dishonesty. And in any struggle, there are those who win, there are those who lose, and so forth.